Alright, so let's just continue. Now you could rotate to have this accurate positioning that you have here. And also increase. Whatever you do, it's okay. Now we want to take it a notch further. We want to use the shape builder tool to create complex shapes. Now please pay close attention because this could be a little bit tricky. Now we're going to select a rectangle tool. Okay, we're going to curve the edges of the rectangle. Okay, we're going to curve the edges of the rectangle. Then let's give it a nice and good gray shape. Okay, I think that's okay. Then the next thing we're going to try to do is we're going to select another rectangle. I'm going to put another rectangle inside of this. So I'll just make sure everything just sits nicely. So what I would like to do is I want to drag this out so that I would use what I'm seeing here to work on my own as well. Okay, now what I'm going to do is this. I want the dimensions to be perfect. So I'm going to select the two shapes and I'm going to use this align panel right here to try to align this shape so that this one inside will be perfectly the exact or perfect dimension. So I'm going to select something like this. I think that's okay. Maybe I select this and I'm going to just drag this one, use my arrow key to just drag this one up a little bit so you have a little more space down here. So trying to create a phone kind of. Alright, now we are going to select our color and let's just give that white fill for now. Now remember, this is a white fill, but making here to be an empty space is different from making it to be the rectangle shape to be white. Okay, so what we want to achieve is we want to create an empty space inside here so that all of this will just be one shape after we have applied a shape builder tool. Now let me not talk so much and let me just do what I'm talking about. Now we select the ellipse. We're going to draw a nice and good ellipse here. Remember what I'm doing, holding down my Alt and my Shift. Let's expand. Maybe it's too big. Something like that. It's okay. Now I'm going to select this, and I'm going to try to also centralize this. Okay, so I'm going to try to centralize everything. I think that's correct. Now the next thing we want to achieve is we have created the shape quite okay, but we want here to be an empty space. We want here to also be an empty space. We're going to select the two shapes for everything here. Then we're going to use our shape builder tool. Hold down our Alt key. Remember, hold down our Alt key to cut out. Click, then click. Now you'll notice something. This is now one shape. It's now one shape. Okay. If you did not get it, watch the video again so you can get it. Now the next one we want to do is this icon, which is like an address icon sort of. And I've seen something like this, some graphic jobs. Now we select the ellipse. We're going to draw, in this case we're drawing a sphere, not necessarily a perfect ellipse. So there will be no need to hold down your Shift because we're trying to draw a sphere primarily. Okay, so what I would like to do is I would like to just reduce the opacity of this so that I can see what I have at the background. Here's the opacity of this. Now, please take note of what we want to do now. Now we want to use our curvature tool. Remember, we have talked about our shape tool or pen tool. Then now we want to talk about the curvature tool. Now let me go back and see where we are. Yes, when we were trying to rotate this